Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, y'all? Tara Telling TV in the house. Yes. I'm back again. So, y'all, look. I love seafood. I'm sorry. I really do. I love seafood. So, we got some king crab legs. I got me some snow crabs. I got me some Dungeness crabs. I got some corn, and I got some potatoes and some lemons. Right here, I just got me some garlic sauce, garlic butter, and here I got my beloved sauce, my imitation. I don't make it exactly like her because I don't like ginger, so I don't put ginger in mine, y'all. I just make mine how I make mine, but it's still inspired by her. So let's get to eating. I know y'all say sometimes I don't say my grace. I say my grace before I get started. So that's how I do it. Okay? So let's eat. Yeah, this hot. This is hot. Got my little bag over there, my little trash bag, y'all. So it's Saturday. It is Saturday, and I am in the house. So this video will be aired tomorrow. I've been busy all day. Busy. What y'all been doing today? What y'all been doing today? I'm hungry, y'all. I'm hungry. I miss you guys too. Let me stir that up a little bit. Oh man, it fell out. Y'all, the time is almost up. The time is almost up to go back to work. I still don't go back to Tuesday. Still. It's winding down. It's winding down. I do miss some of my coworkers though. I really do. I do. I'm kind of ready to get back in the swing of things. But y'all, we pack them. Getting ready to move. Whew. This is really tough. When you've been in a place so long. We bought this house 16 years ago. And now, we bought us a new house, y'all. We gotta pack up and leave. Man, do you know how much stuff you accumulate in 16 years? It's a lot of stuff. Ooh, a lot of stuff to throw away. If I ain't fooled with it, 16 years or 5 years, it ain't going. It's not going with me. We ordered one of those big old dumpsters. You know when people be cleaning their houses, we ordered us one of those. Because we're going to throw away a bunch of old stuff that I am not taking to the new house. I should do a vlog on us moving. I probably will do that. That'll be cute. It'll be something different. What y'all think? I think that'll be different. I've never done a vlog before. Let me know what to talk about on the vlogs. Shoot. Well, when I was moving, that should be pretty easy. Should do it on us packing up. That is good, y'all. Mm-hmm. I thought that going up. I thought that going up. Yeah. Can't believe I ain't wasting on my shirt yet. Y'all see, keep looking down. There used to be stuff all over my shirt. I don't see it till I edit my videos. You know what I'm saying? It's a bit messy. It's so good. So good. I made a video yesterday, y'all, but it didn't record right. So I didn't want to upload it. Trying to stay consistent. Mm. Oh, that's hot. It is hot. So hot. Too hot. Too hot. Okay, y'all. Let's get some of these king crab legs. I got these from Walmart, y'all. I ain't never had that food. I didn't shop at Walmart. I hear y'all talking about it, so I said I'm going over there too. See how these taste, because I used to go to the farmer's market. I haven't been in a minute. Not this week. Probably go tomorrow. Probably will go tomorrow. Juice popping everywhere. They pre-cut. So that's good. This don't taste as fresh as the farmer market. You really well. Should have known they wouldn't be tasting that fresh. But they ain't bad. Price ain't bad. Not bad at all. Not at all. Finish my potato. Whoop. Whoop. Look up there. Oh, let me put some lemon on. Let me get the lemon. That lemon. Whew, stay hydrated, y'all. Excuse me. Stay hydrated. Okay. Stay hydrated. Come on, treat me right. Come on up out of there. Oh, excuse me. Get some more of that lemon. That lemon. That lemon. That piece had a lot of lemony taste on it right there. That was pretty darn good. It sure did. It sure did. Look at that. Look at that. Put that in the bottom. Put that in that old bottom. That old garlic powder. I'm gonna dip it in there. Get some of that lemon. Pull it off up in there. Some of this. Some of this. Yeah, y'all, so I messed up my video. Well, it didn't come out right yesterday. Don't you hate that? Oh, I was so upset. But, gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep pushing. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Cook that a little bit. It's kind of tough. Oh, there we go. So popping the air well. Get that little meat on now. Them knuckles, y'all. Let me break that off. It's kind of tough. Tough to get into. And they be sticking. Ooh, ooh. You do the wrong one, right? Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes. That is delicious. Ooh. Ooh, bless me. When we say gazoon type, y'all still say that? I didn't say that in years. I hadn't said that in years. Really, truly. I don't really say bless you to people like I used to, because I do not know. Only the people I'm closest to that I do that to say bless you. You know, you be sitting in public and somebody sneezes and you say, bless you. How you know what their religion is? I know that person. So, I stopped saying that years ago. Don't do that. I don't want to disrespect nobody or offend nobody. So, I don't do it no more. You know? I don't know what a stranger's religion is, so I want to say it to my closest friends and family. These days you can't assume nothing, so I don't know. Nothing in there. Ooh. I like when it just breaks. Just come apart. Look at that. Look at that. Look at some of this garlic powder. This is delicious, y'all. A clean up woman. Oops. I still got some on my face. I need to get me a mirror. I sure do. I need to invest in me a little Dollar Tree mirror so I can see what's going on with the face. Woo! Y'all, I'm doing pretty good tonight. I'm doing pretty good tonight. Now I'm gonna food up. Eating it up. Oh, excuse me. They were doing it right there, them burps. And that extra room in the stomach. Shows is. And them Dungeness crab. Ooh. I must have been hungry. Must have been hungry. Mm. Sometimes, y'all, I can eat a lot. Sometimes I can't. But tonight, today is my day. I don't know why that some potatoes on there like that, but as far as all the other stuff, crab legs, Dungeness crabs, cream crab. What's that cream crab I wear? Snow crab. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I done gotten down on them. Y'all know what I'm gonna do after this, right? I gotta take me a nap. That's a quick power nap. I gotta get back up, get the packing. Gotta get back up. Get the packing, y'all. And eliminate some items. Get me a lemon. I don't know what that was. Very good. Oh. Oh. All right, y'all. That's it for me. I am done. How you like me now? How you like me now? That was pretty darn good. I did that. Oops. I did that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification button to let you know each and every time your girl Tara Tubman is uploading a video. And share, please. Please share. Please share my video with each and everybody. So guys, I'll see you next time. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Have a good evening. Bye.